So in today's video, we're going to talk about something very crucial in Scrum, which is the Daily Scrum. How it works? What is it actually? Let's see. Hello everyone, I am Brinda, your Scrum Guide. First of all, what is Daily Scrum? It's a short time-boxed meeting which is exclusively designed for the development team to sync up and happens every day in the sprint. So, when done right, it is highly effective and keep things moving smoothly. Well, what's the duration of the Daily Scrum? It's a short 15-20 minutes meeting based on the size of the team. It is carried out by standing up in the meeting to avoid long and drained out conversation. So, who is in the room for the Daily Scrum? It's exclusively a meeting designed for the development team where they take the ownership of the work. Product owner and the Scrum Master might attend. Scrum Master also facilitated sometimes to keep the team on track. Well, that's a meeting for the team. Well, do we need Daily Scrum every day? Yes, to achieve transparency and collaboration. It keeps the members of the team on the same page as they come, sync up and talk about the progress and the blockers. The blockers, one of the most important things in sprint. Daily Scrum gives us the stage to identify, to raise them as an impediments or the blockers. Team notes it and connects after the Daily Scrum ends to dive deeper. Sooner the blockers are identified, the faster it can be resolved. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, do hit the like button and subscribe for more such Scrum tips. Until then, take care. Meet you in the next video.